Please go. Sorry, I'll have to speak in English though. Yeah, even I have a dream like every one of you. I used to work in Oracle. I worked I've studied in Japan for some time. My dream has been to live in the way I want to live. That is, I used to like a lot of animation, like the computer graphics and VFX. So I wanted to study that all the time. I went back to India after studying in Japan, but I couldn't find any proper colleges where I could do that. So then I decided I need to come back to Japan to study it. But as Japan is very expensive, so I had to put up a lot of money for myself to to make my study here. So then I worked in India for about 3.5 years now. First I worked in Toyota and the HR for about 2.5 years, and then I moved to Oracle, which is an IT company, and I've been working there for about 10 months. And now finally I've put up the money for my studies for about but it's not really much, but I've made some money to start my studies. And now I've come here this time to Japan for my entrance examination. So if I get through my examination, I'll study in Japan from March, and then I'll be studying here for 4 years. And my dream is to go back to India, make some movie like The Pirates of Caribbean or the Harry Potter or some movies like that. My final dream is to be in DreamWorks or in a company like Disney and make my own movie.
To Japan. Japanese. One more.
Majiska?
Yes.
Nihongo de?
Yes.
Honma ni?
Yes, go.